This video is used to teach you a little bit more about how to use your smartboard, more specifically how to use Smart Notebook and some of the features. So the first thing, Smart Notebook is on your desktop with that icon. So you double click. It might take some time to open up depending on if you've recently done it. So the best way to explain Smart Notebook would be it's kind of like Word or anything else. It's an open format where you'd be able to kind of do whatever you could imagine Smart Notebook allows. So there are a lot of great features within Smart Notebook. So you can draw on things, you can write, you can draw lines. So it's a great math tool. You can change the color of your line, you can change the type of line, you can change the transparency of the line, shapes. So if you want something with all the way up to 16 sides, you'd be able to draw something like that, change the color of the shape, change the style. I mean, a lot of different options with this. The eraser is another tool that you can use. Here's some other shapes that you may be interested in. The pens, there are a lot of different options with those as well. So you can use a crayon highlighter. So if you wanted to highlight text in reading, you'd be able to do that. The text pen is one where if you write it, obviously you can read it, but it's not fantastic. So it will. Whoops. I need to do it one more time. I think I was a little hasty in trying to figure it out. So after a little while, it will turn over to real text, so you can accept it, so that the students will be able to read it. So that's an option as well. Let's see, if you're looking to add something to a tool to a page, first here's adding a page. So if you want to add another one, it's kind of like PowerPoint in a way that you have different slides. So here's your new page. If you want to delete something that is not drawn as a pen, you have to click it and hit the X. So of all of this, here's your eraser. The only thing that would erase would be that marker. So if I want to delete something, I highlight it and hit X. I can rotate things. I can move these lines. I want to rotate, I click on the green. I have a variety of options here. Clone means just copying it and putting it right out there. Your normal cut, copy, paste, delete. Infinite cloner, if there's something like coins or notes that I want to be able to continually bring out and it would leave it there instead of cloning it. I can infinitely clone things. And to undo it, you click it again. To lock something in place so that kids aren't moving it around the page, you can do that. Again, clicking on it again to unlock it. You can check spelling. You can flip things from left to right or from right to left or upside down. If you want to order things, so if it's on a page and you want it to be layered a certain way, you can send things all the way to the back, all the way to the front, backwards or forwards as well. This is how you would link things. So if you want the text ixl.com and for you to click it, it would go there. You can put in a link. You can put in the sound, and there are other properties as well. So those are just some of the different options with Smart. As I was saying, there is a gallery of items. So if I wanted pyramid to show three-dimensional shapes, there are different options. That's not in there. It would be under pictures. So they have pentagonal pyramids or a three-dimensional pentagonal pyramid. So those are options. There are different games and activities in this as well. If I wanted to change the color or the size of something, so let's say that I have a box. I can change the solid fill, so the color of the inside of it, by going over, again, this is my kind of like my edit button. Solid fill, gradient fill. So maybe I wanted to go from purple to yellow to make it look like Vikings colors. I could do that. And then, so that's the inside. The line style, same type of thing. So if I want the outside line to be a different color, I would click my way through. If I want it to be a really big border, I can do that. I can make it dotted, a lot of different. So I have a lot of different options. With that object animation, I can make things fade in, fade out, fly out, a lot of different animations which I don't really use. So though that is Smart Notebook. If you want to get rid of a page, you would click on this little X, forward, backwards. So if you want to undo something or redo it. So that's Smart Notebook. I'll explain a few more of the tools in the next video.